Better melon with tomatoes, onion, garlic. Saute for 10 to 15 minutes or so. And then when the better melon is cooked, I'm gonna add this egg. Guys, good morning. I cook better melon with tomatoes, garlic, and onion, and